All right, y'all, let's look at how to use an equation in Google Docs. So I'm just going to go into this practice assignment, and then I'm going to have fun with some equations. So I'm going to go to Insert, and then I'm going to click on Equation. And now up here I get these operations and relations for equation, including some special arrows. Most of the time, if you're going to be talking about fractions or something, you're going to want this a over b, but you can put in integrals, you can put in sums, you can put in all kinds of square roots and things like that. You can also put in all of these mathematical symbols, which might be helpful if you're taking upper level math classes or physics classes. Then you've got some of these other symbols, notations, greater than, less than, with equals as well. And then your special arrows, which you may want to use. In chemistry, you can just probably type out, like a dash dash and then a greater than sign for arrows. But I'll just show you kind of how to use the fractions here. So if I add the fraction, it's going to take me immediately to the top of the fraction in the numerator. So I'll put in like 4y. And then if I want to take it to the denominator, I have to press the right arrow, and that takes me down. Like I said, that's over x times z. Sure. And then if I press over again, the right arrow, it's going to take me outside of the fraction. So then I can do whatever the rest of my function, or whatever it is that I'm doing, okay? And then you can put superscripts and subscripts inside of it, but it's really hard to do. Well, I haven't found the way to do it. I think that I have had a couple of students try to show me how to do it, but it's maybe a formatting issue or something inside of the equation that I just am not seeing very clearly. So I imagine that you're probably not going to want to spend a lot of time on it. There are really great Google Docs help guides if you just want to Google it, but I highly recommend that you really only use an equation if you have to. That if you're trying to show work for dimensional analysis, like question 7, that you really want to use a table if you're trying to show your work inside of a document, or you can insert a picture of your handwritten work as well. So the equation is good to know how to put it together if you need to, but it's not necessary for you to know how to do it outside of this assignment.